Meaning of gotta.
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 Gotta. Gotta is a contraction of got to, which is commonly used in informal speech and writing to mean have to or must. It conveys a sense of urgency or obligation to do something. This contraction is often used to suggest a strong need to complete a task or fulfill a commitment. The word gotta is prevalent in casual conversation and is used in everyday language. People use it frequently in daily conversations to describe a sense of obligation or to express a desire to complete a task as soon as possible, making it a staple of modern vernacular.